Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily install YouTube Music for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6. So the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below and enable Wi-Fi and have your Wi-Fi connected. When you're gonna have Wi-Fi connected, the next thing that you want to do is go to settings. And when you're gonna be in settings, you want to find Google and have your also Google account connected. Now when we are going to do that, and when we're gonna have it, then you want to go to Google Play and right here YouTube Music. Okay, and then install. And now all we have to do is wait until the YouTube Music is going to get downloaded. And then when it will get downloaded, then I'm going to show you how you can use it. So now when you're going to install YouTube Music, all you have to do is press here open. And it's going to load our account. And here we're going to open a phone. And that's how you're going to do it. So you're going to just connect it to our phone, and that's pretty much it. Now the thing is that I got different account connected to my watch, and I got different premium for my YouTube Music right here on my phone, but that's pretty much it how you're gonna do it. I hope I helped you on how you can install it. So thank you very much guys, and have a great day, and goodbye.